In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload a video to your YouTube channel. Now, this is going to be a step-by-step guide in 2024, and I'm also going to cover how you can get more views and essentially some quick tips and tricks that you want to know when uploading your YouTube video. So let's jump into it here. So first, you want to go to youtube.com. Now, this is going to be a computer-based tutorial, but you can also do this on phone. But if you're taking YouTube seriously, I would recommend you do it on computer. But once you're on youtube.com, look into the top right-hand corner. Make sure you're logged into the correct channel. If you're not, go ahead and click switch account and get logged into your channel. Then you want to go to create in the top right hand corner, then upload video, and that will then take you to this window here where you can then click here where it says select files, and this window is going to pop up where you can then upload a YouTube video. So you want to go ahead and find the file that you want to upload. I'll just upload one of these videos here just as an example. So we'll upload here how to change iPhone hotspot name. So you want to click on the video you want to upload, then click open, and it will then open that video and take you into these settings. Now there are a couple of things that you need to know now. Now I have the monetization tab here, which we'll get into next, because my channel is monetized and I've joined the YouTube Partner Program. For you to join the YouTube Partner Program and get this window, you need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours watched, then you need to apply for it. That's a completely separate video to this. This video will just show you how to upload a video. So the first thing you're going to need to look at is your title. Now when you're uploading to YouTube, you need a good title. You also need a good thumbnail, which I will get to in a second. So the default file name isn't going to be a good title because it's all lowercase. Go and look at YouTube, you'll notice people uppercase every word. So how to change iPhone hotspot name. So I'm going to go ahead and type in here how to change iPhone hotspot name, but I'm going to capitalize everything so it looks better. And then maybe I want to put dash and quick guide. Now for me, this is a simple tutorial, which I'm aiming to rank in YouTube search. But for you, maybe you want your video to be pushed by the YouTube algorithm in browse. If you want to do that, you want a more clickable title, which appeals to kind of like a more broad audience. If you've got a specific video which you've created for a specific keyword, then you want to make sure that keyword is in the title. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, I'm creating this video how to change iPhone hotspot name. So if we go to the search bar and type in how to change iPhone hotspot name, you can see this is what people are actually searching for. So this is the video I'm trying to rank on the YouTube search results. So I would want to put this exact keyword to get this video to rank. Obviously, you can title this whatever you want. And if you're after browse traffic on YouTube, which means like recommended traffic that you would get from the homepage, you want to put something clickable here because it doesn't really matter. You're not trying to rank it for any keyword. Once you've wrote your title, you then need a description. Now, one thing to note with a description, the first 2 lines are going to be visible. Now, again, here you want to explain what this video is about and add keywords or words which are going to either grab people's attention or that are going to help people understand what this video is about. So this is what I've wrote because, again, I'm trying to get my video to rank on the first page of YouTube. And look, you can see how to change iPhone hotspot name. This guy's got the keyword in the top line of the description, and that's going to tell YouTube, again, what your video is about. The aim here is to try and get YouTube and your viewers to know what your video is about. And these first 2 lines here are a great place to explain in further detail, as well as with your YouTube thumbnail. Now, if you go down here, you can see you can upload a YouTube thumbnail. You are going to have to be phone number verified to add a YouTube thumbnail, which again is a different video in itself. But if you do have the option to upload a YouTube thumbnail, go ahead and upload one because it will increase the amount of people that get attracted to your video and click on it. So here's the thumbnail that I made. You can see it stands out, it's simple, but it catches people's attention. Now moving down, you've got the video is set to not made for kids. If your video isn't for kids, click no. Otherwise, if you click yes, it's only going to appear on YouTube Kids and it's an absolute nightmare. Just click no here. Obviously, if it's not made for kids, right? Then scrolling down here, you've got paid promotions. You probably haven't been paid for that video, so uncheck that if it's not already unchecked. Then you've got automatic chapters. I keep this on because this will kind of like chapter your video automatically from YouTube if it's a long video. And then all of these I'd keep on. Now tags don't really do anything in 2024. I just enter in my channel name in the tags and then I copy the video title. The tags used to do a lot, but now they do nothing. So you can add as many tags as you want, but they're not really relevant in getting views. And then here you've got pretty much everything else which can be on default. Then you want to go next, you've got your monetization settings, which I just turn on. You might not have monetization, but this is what it would look like if you did. You can then click next, and you need to tell YouTube here what your content's about and what ads should be shown. So I'm going to click here, none of the above, and submit rating. Now we're going next, and we've got the video elements. Now these can be actually used to get more views. Now subtitles, I would let YouTube do automatically. I wouldn't waste time on subtitles. What I would do is add an end screen. An end screen is really powerful because if you get people to watch all of your video, the chances are they'll probably watch another video if you recommend them one. So you can go import from video if you've already got end screens, or you can click add and add from a template. So I like to do this one here, one video and subscribe. And here you can move these around. So this button here is going to get people to subscribe if they click on it. This button is going to show a video. Now you can choose whether you want to choose your most recent upload, the best for viewer. So the YouTube is going to choose this and recommend the best based on their prediction. Or you can choose a specific video if you mention a specific video in like your video that you're uploading. I like to keep it on best for viewer and then click save. And again, if someone watches the whole of your video, they're more likely to click on your end screen and watch another one of your videos. And that's essentially turning one view into 2 views. Then you've got cards. Now, if you mention any video or you want to link to a website, you can do that through cards. I'm not going to cover that though. You would just essentially choose where the card appears on video, and you can then link to a video, a playlist, a channel, or a link. And that card will pop up in the top right hand corner. Then go next, and you've got your copyright checks here. Click next. Then you can either make this video public, you can schedule it for a future date with this tool here, or you can publish it and just make it unlisted if you don't want to make it public yet. Make sure that everything's processed down here. It says HD, video processing done, and you've got no issues. Then click save. Now, if this is public, your video will then go out public. Obviously mine is unlisted, so it isn't going to go live yet, but that's all you've got to do. I hope that video helped you out. That's how you can upload a video to YouTube.